Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In one of my classes this week, we got talking about pets, and a student of mine mentioned the fact that she had a pet turtle. I was rather taken aback by this, and I wanted to check, did she actually mean like a big turtle, you know, the kind of things that live in the water and come out and lay their eggs on the beaches, or did she mean like the little terrapins that sometimes people keep in fish tanks? No, she said, it's definitely a turtle. It's already 1 metre long. There was then some discussion about how long turtles live and what kind of size turtles grow to. And one of my other students said, yeah, I think generally the older turtles get, the bigger they are. But don't quote me on that. If you say don't quote me on that, it's basically a way of showing that you're not sure of what you've just said. You probably know that if you quote someone, you use the exact words that they've said or that they've written. So maybe when you're writing an academic essay, it's important to quote lots of important people in the field that you're writing in. And maybe when you're having an argument, you might remember exactly what the person you're arguing with said that made you so angry, and you might say, listen, you said, and I quote, and then you say the exact words. So if you say don't quote me on that, it's basically like, listen, I might be wrong, okay? So you often say things like, I might be wrong about this, so don't quote me on it. But I think that in Japan, actually, the average age is now over 65. Maybe, for example, you're doing something like discussing this picture from a course book that I've co-authored, Outcomes Advanced. And you're discussing what's going on in the picture, what it is, what you think it's for. And you might say, yeah, I think it's called the Hadron Collider. It's in Switzerland somewhere, isn't it? And don't quote me on this, but I think they're using it to test the Big Bang Theory. It's also a useful way of answering questions when you're not sure. So maybe one of your kids is doing their geography homework and they shout out and say, Dad, what's the capital of Rwanda? Do you know? Yeah, I think it's Kigali, but don't quote me on that. You're probably best Googling it just to be sure. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use don't quote me on that.